Alright, this is for all you cousins of mine that think that I've gone all city here in Chicago and can't handle the old school shoveling. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is, we've got about 2 hours in so far. This is coming out of our garage. There's Maya. She's helping me. Maya, what do you want to say? You want to say anything on this snowstorm of snowstorms?
No.
What do you think, huh?
Horrible.
How do you like this?
Horrible.
Alright, she's done a good job though. See, we're tough here in Chicago. Here you go. There's the mound, there's the garage. Alright, we're going to just take a little video pathway here. I'll show you the progress we've made after, probably about 2.5 hours. Show you what we still have left to do. So here you go. We're walking down. Alright, this is sort of where we're at right now. This of course goes off. Goes up to the front door of the house. Yeah, there you go. Just a tail back. Alright, and we'll continue on. This is where I am. I did this earlier today. Still making our way. We can get our bikes out if we wanted to go for a bike ride, but that was about it. So here we go. Coming down to the end of the driveway. And here you go. So there you go. Those guys all have people doing it. They're much more affluent than we are. Although my next door neighbors are old school too. Across the street, they were out shoveling. They have got not their driveway even anywhere near done. So here you go, guys. The big blizzard, national, international news. I think it came out to 20 inches here in Oak Park. So there you go. So I don't want to hear anything about me being soft. Bye-bye.